We are discussing about control access to members. So what is access modifiers? Java provides a number of access modifier to set access level for classes, variables, methods and constructor. The four access levels are visible to the package, the default, no modifiers are needed, visible to the class only, that is private, visible to the world, that is public, and visible to the package on all subclasses, that is protected. So, access modifier is act as a control for a program that where we want to give the visibility of a program, or from up to how much we set the visibility of our program, we can done this with the help of access modifier. Default access modifier or no keyword. Default access modifier means we do not explicitly declare an access modifier for a class, field, method, etc. A variable or method declared without any access control modifier is available to any other class in the same package. So, the visibility of default access modifier is the package label. The fields inner interface are implicitly public static final and the methods inner interface are by default public. Let's discuss about the private access modifier. If we want to set the visibility of any method in a class level only, or then we can use the private access modifier. We can't make a private class in Java. Methods, variables and constructors that are declared private can only be accessed within the declared class itself. Private access modifier is the most restrictive access level. Class and interface cannot be private. Variables that are declared private can be accessed outside the class if public getter methods are present in the class. Using the private method is the main way that an object encapsulates itself and hides data from the outside world. The private access modifier plays an important role in encapsulation because in encapsulation we can make the private as all the data members and we use public getter and setter method to access it. Let's discuss about the public access modifier. A class, method, constructor, interface, etc. declared public can be accessed from any other class, from any other package, from any other subclass. We can say that with the help of public, we can visualize that part or that program anywhere. We can use that program or code anywhere in our program. Therefore, fields, methods, block declared inside a public class can be accessed from any class belonging to the Java universe. However, if the public class we are trying to access is in a different package, then the public class still need to be imported. Because of class inheritance, all public methods and variables of a class are inherited by its subclasses. Let's discuss about the protected access modifier. Variable methods and constructors which are declared protected in a superclass can be accessed only by the subclass in other package or any class within the package of the protected member class. The protected access modifier cannot be applied to class and interface. Similarly to private access modifier, we can't make protected access modifier as a class and interface. And protected access modifier is similarly work as the default access modifier with an additional benefit that if we use the subclass as a protected type, then we can access it with after the package also, as we can say that it is the mix-up of default or public. Method fields can be declared protected. However, methods and fields in an interface cannot be declared protected. Protected access gives the subclass a chance to use the helper method or variable while preventing a non-related class from trying to use it. Let's discuss about access control and inheritance. The following rules for inherited methods are enforced. Method declared public in a superclass also must be public in all subclasses. Method declared protected in a superclass must either be protected or public in superclass, they cannot be private. Method declared private are not inherited at all, so there is no rule for them. So these are the concepts behind the control of modifiers. Thank you.